Hello guys, this is Gabby. Today we're gonna do a quick review of this amazing camera. This is Nikon Z6, one very beautiful and in my opinion little bit underestimated camera because I find it amazing in every possible way. I'm not a super professional, but for my level as a YouTuber, I can say that this camera serves its purpose more than amazing. Let's take a quick look at it. This is Nikon Z6 Mirrorless camera with 24.5 full frame BSI CMOS sensor. It has hybrid autofocus system with 273 phase detect points for the best ultimate results. It can film up to 12 LPF burst shooting route or JPEG, and it has special 3.65 million dots OLED viewfinder. The viewfinder is really amazing. Trust me guys, you will never ever find such a beautiful viewfinder. Actually you will, but this one has breathtaking capabilities in my opinion. The specialty about this camera is the bayonet. It's 55 millimeters. Here the bayonet is here for the people who don't know when you remove the lens. This is the body of the camera, this is the bayonet, and this is the sensor. The distance between the sensor and the bayonet is very little, around 16 millimeters, which makes it amazing. And the bayonet is 55 millimeters, allowing the best amount of light to enter into your sensor and to give you the ultimate quality of the pictures. This is the kit lens, Nikon Z lens 2470. You can use it with another Z lens mount, and you can also use special adapter in order to adapt f lens also or some other types of Nikon lenses. One thing that I dislike about the camera, one minus, is that you need to use special device, XQD card adapter with the XQD card. Basically this camera allows you only to use it with the XQD special card, so be aware of this. Another thing that people love about this camera is the hand grip. It's deep and stable, and you can hold the camera nicely with your one hand tightly. You have 5-axis VR stabilization in the body, which gives you ultimate experience, especially if you're like me and your hands are shaking all the time. This camera gives you the best performance. Then another thing, now I will put the card inside the camera so I can show you the menu and the beautiful LSD tilted screen with 2.1 million points. In order to take photos, you need to extend the zoom ring of the kit lens. Now I will show you the LCD screen here. It's tiltable. Another minus, it's not foldable, but it's still okay. And the menu is perfect. Everything is touchscreen here. Very organized menu. It just took me 1 hour to get used to this camera the moment I got it, because it's very easy to operate. The knob here gives you endless opportunities for personalization, putting special modes to U1, U2 or U3. You can just dial it and see what you like on the modes that you put here. Then you have another OLED screen here. So this camera can film up to 4K 30 frames in video mode. It has 20 preset modes for photos with amazing effects and colors, and it has HDMI port for external recorder and 10-bit depth Atomos screen you can put on it and have amazing raw footage and so on. But for the raw footage you need to go to Nikon service, and there they will enable it for you after you pay some fee. Right now I don't want to speak anymore, guys, because I prefer to go outside with the camera and show you some shots and stuff that I did with it and that I will do with it, so you can see with your own eyes how amazing this camera it is. So follow Gabby Tech in all social media, like this video, and stay tuned.